Start करो.
Hi, myself Rajni, and I joined Cisnet in 7 December 2011. I joined in recruitment department as a senior HR executive. So today we have privileged to introduce Mr. Sandeep Prane. Sandeep Prane is working as a regional manager and is handling Gujarat and Maharashtra region. Sandeep, give me a brief introduction.
Hi, I'm Sandeep Prane. I'm handling. I've started in Cisnet about July 2010. I have experience of about 17 odd years. Then I've started Mumbai branch manager, and now I'm handling Maharashtra, Goa, and Gujarat. The team size which I had handled initially was about 40 odd engineers. Now it is about 200 plus employees. Resources which I am having in Maharashtra and Goa and even Gujarat.
So what was your experience from
It
branch
is
manager?
basically the challenges which has been downloaded to me by my bosses, and initially I had definitely faced certain challenges, but now it is quite stable one.
Okay.
So that is Cisnet who has given me the opportunity to get into that role. So far I have succeeded and want to get it to the next level also.
So where you seeing to you and to the company after 2 years?
Definitely that was I am saying over a period of 2 years, 3 years down the line, we want to grow more in West because earlier it was not there in the West. The customers should know we as a Cisnet, which was not there earlier. Now even I am ready. I want to grow. To the remote level of Maharashtra as well as Gujarat, so that everyone should know that Cisnet is a IT company.
Okay. So what is your biggest success and what is the biggest achievement of?
The achievement, so far I would not
Cisnet.
call it as the biggest achievement. It should come and it will come. But so far, I have started as a branch manager and now I am handling regional manager. So that may be a biggest achievement. Then the revenue which was earlier handled and now handled is quite double or three folds or four folds.
Who is a role model?
Basically, the role model out currently what happens. I've been Cisnet. Even spending more time in the offices. Every time you are with Cisnet. So my role model is basically my MD. It's something which is definitely there. So MD Mr. Arun Sugani, and even I like the way Arush is having the attitude and all. So both are my role models. So
okay. So I know.
And they give a lot of vibrations, how to handle the situations. They give us the directions. So
Good. So see, I know Sandeep Prane as a regional manager who is busy always with the professional work,
okay.
And always busy with burden of the work, right? So you wanted to share with us.
It is not a burden of the work. I really love to work in that fashion. So don't call it as a burden.
Good. So always indulge in a work, right? So you wanted to share with us about your family background.
My family, basically I have a mother, then my wife, earlier she used to work, but since after the childbirth, she is not working. She is also from the IT background, so she understands my pain. She can understand what is happening. So I'm free bird. My family is giving me that free hand wherein I can spend more time in the offices. So that is greatness. I have a child of 5 years, 6 years. Sorry, now she has gone to second standard.
Okay. So she is a girl or boy?
She is a girl. Okay. Name is Sarisha.
Great, nice name.
Thanks.
So your wife is working as a.
She is also engineer. She was working as a same engineer. Then she became the manager after the birth. Then it is not because we are staying in the neutral family. So someone has to be there to take care of the child.
So any lovable moment or any memorable moment you pass?
Those are there, always there. Now that
which you never forget.
It's that It's not every moment is unforgettable.
Okay. So, so you wanted to give any message to the company?
Definitely. I mean, Sysnet is quite a company wherein you get free hand work. You get a lot of things to do, and you can put your ideas. Then I have seen people who are working from last 10 to 12 years. I mean, then that kind of opportunities people have got. And since they also feel that Sysnet is really company who take care of the resources. I mean, their people has been uh, treated as assets, and that's why I feel that Sysnet is the best company wherein everyone should come. And I feel even I have definitely people who were working with me earlier. Now they are part of Sysnet. They are Sysnetians. That's all.